Every sewing machine is a little different. Your guidebook shows you exactly where the parts are, how to thread it properly, and how to wind the bobbin. Even if you've sewn before, your machine may have quirks, and the manual will point them out. Skip stitches, jam thread, uneven tension. Your manual usually has a troubleshooting section that helps you diagnose problems quickly instead of guessing or Googling for hours. Most machines have stitches or presser feet you might not even realize are there. The guidebook shows you how to use them so you get the most out of your machine instead of sticking to straight stitch forever. Your guidebook tells you how to clean, oil, and maintain your machine. A few minutes of upkeep can make it last for years and prevent costly repairs. Your machine automatically has an operating manual, but if you picked up a sewing machine in a garage sale, or someone handed you an older machine, or you bought it from eBay and it did not have a manual, you can easily go online and do a search for your brand name of your sewing machine and the model, and you can go online and just download it and print it. Some instructions may seem obvious, but safety tips in a manual are there for a reason, especially if your machine has electronic parts, thread cutters, or automatic features. So, don't ignore your sewing machine's guidebook. It teaches you how to thread and set up correctly, troubleshoot problems, unlock hidden features, maintain your machine, and sew safely.